Boo! Did I scare you? All right, today what we're going to do is we are going to use the elements of shape and line, and we are going to create our own robots. I love this project, and I hope you do too. So what we're gonna do, boys and girls, is we're going to take pieces of different robots and we're gonna build our own robot. I used to call this project Build-A-Bot. And you get to build 4 different robots today. Here's one of mine. And what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video and learn that you're going to take a head off one robot, antennas off another robot, maybe a tummy off another, find some legs and arms that you like, and then we're gonna decorate these robots just in pencil today, and we're gonna save them for next week. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick our favorite robot out of the 4 that we draw today, and we are going to make a painting of that robot. So I want you to get your pencils ready, get your robot papers ready, and get your paper ready, get your creative brains going, and have fun making our robots. Here we go. If you will please open your folder and take out your robot handout. And there should be 4 sheets of robot body parts in there. And then I gave you some practice white paper that's stapled at the top. So start out and take these robot papers and separate them. Go ahead and pull them off the stapled pile because I want you to be able to look at all of them at the same time. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start with the head for our very first robot. So find the shape you want. I'll start with a circle, but then you have to decide where to put it. Make sure you don't put it too far down, and you want to save room for the arms and the legs and plan your paper accordingly. So I'll start with my head up here, and then I'm going to add a tummy, but I got to decide what shape do I want for my tummy. So I will choose a rectangle by making the 11 and closing the top and the bottom. Add 2 lines to make a neck. And now I need to put my eyes on my robot. So I gotta find some eyes I like. I'll take these. I'm going to put some eyeballs in there. I'm going to add a mouth and some teeth. And then I'm going to add something to the top of his head. How about that little light? So I'll draw the different shapes. And then I'm going to add antennas coming out of the side of his head. Kind of like this. And then like this. And then a line out with a little circle colored in. Now I'm going to move on to my arms. So search the different papers I gave you. Find some arms you think that look good. Draw 1 arm, draw 2 arms, add your hands. Look for some legs. Let's see. Where are some legs? Oh, I like these. Curved lines, then a half a circle. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to decorate the tummy with the computer screen and some buttons. And I'm going to put a heart in here with some zigzag lines. Add some lines on the arms. Add some lines on the legs and the neck. And I am done. When you're done, at the top, put a 1 and circle it. That's your first robot done. Now we're going to start a different robot. Pick a different shape this time for his head. I like this one. Kind of a square with rounded edges. Eyes. I'm going to make a dotted mouth. I'm going to add some antennas this time at the top of his head. Then a neck. And then a tummy. Let me search for some tummies. Ooh, I like this half of oval upside down. And then a rectangle for the computer screen again. And now I gotta find some arms I wanna do. This time I'm gonna try straighter arms. Close it up, add a circle for the elbow, add the forearm and the wrist. Arm, elbow, arm, wrist, and then I'm gonna go back and add fingers. There they are. Then I'm going to add some legs straight down, make some knees, add a lower leg and some rectangles for his feet. And then I might even add some lines in the legs and some in the arms and in there this time I think I'm going to add some square buttons. And then maybe even I'll write a word inside his computer screen. Do you know what that says? It says hi. And some lines around the lights and maybe even some wheels on his shoes. And then write the number 2 in the corner. Moving on to number 3. Find a different shape head. Here's that half a circle again. And then let's see, maybe some antennas with the electricity curly line. Watch this. I love making loopy lines. And then I want to do eyes. Let's see. I'm going to pick. Let me look again. I think I'm going to pick. I think I'll do the oval eyes with a line through them. Watch this. Ovals with a line and then some eyeballs. And then a smile, let's see, like this. Some cheeks and some eyelashes. I'm going to add lips and even some hair. There. Neck. And then I'm going to do a rectangle for the top of her body and then her spine that connects her lower part of her body. Then some curved lines for arms, some hands, the other arm and hand, heart this time, and some curved legs. And then I'm going to make her some high heel shoes, kind of like the hand I just drew. Stripe the legs, stripe the spine, stripe the arms, and I am done. Write a 3, and now on to the last page. I want you to create anything you want here. You look, you put together the pieces, make your 4th rainbow robot, and then put that back in your folder and save it for next week. Next week, I'm going to show you how to add the color. All right. Hope you had fun. See you next week. Bye-bye.